Welcome to SyncWords Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to edit your event info. To edit your event information, go to the Info tab on the left side of your event page. You can change your event title or subtitle by clicking the Edit button, making your changes, and hitting Save. You can also update the date, time, and time zone of your event. By default, events start 15 minutes before the scheduled time. If you want to test your connections earlier, choose a different time from the drop-down. Events are also auto-set to stop on time. Once the event ends, you will stop receiving captions, and the event will be archived. It's always a good idea to set your event's auto-stop time a few minutes after the scheduled stop time to cover any event overruns. If you are using the SyncWords human captioning service, you can make the following changes to the information you have provided. Edit the audio sources for the captioner. Update any notes about the audio sources. Change the event contact or add additional contacts. Add or edit notes for the captioner. Add or delete any supporting documents for the captioner to use during the live event. Thank you for watching this short tutorial video. For more videos and written articles on this and many other topics, please visit our help desk.